Good morning, everyone. This is me, Kashika Dantes Goma. I am 15 years old and I live in Barangay Insiling, Socorro, Surigao del Norte. And for today's serie is that we're going to tackle about my family. So, this is our ASC subject, and Sir task us rather to do this. So let's go. Our first we're going to tackle about my family. So, kumpleto po kami magkakapatid, and then pero ang nanay at tatay ko po ay hindi, kasi naghiwalay po sila noon. And then ang second tatakol natin is about ang trabaho nila. So, ang trabaho ng tatay ko ay isa siyang barangay captain, at ang nanay ko naman ay nagninegosyo, and then isa rin siya sa nagtatrabaho sa opisina sa Barangay Rizal. And then pangatlo naman ay ang relationship. So ako ay expressive po ako sa tatay ko, and sa nanay ko naman ay medyo hindi kami close kasi hindi kami nagkita noon. And then pang-apat naman ay money. So, nakakaraos naman po kami sa buhay. Minsan nga lang is nakakaproblema po kami sa financial, pero I'm praying and hoping to God, because I believe that God has plan to all of this. So, pang-apat naman is understanding. So, my mother and father taught me a lot of things that is good for me. So, madami din ang nanay at tatay kong, madami din silang itinuro sa akin kung paano mag-handle sa sarili, kung paano magdisiplina sa sarili. Then, pang-anim naman ay learning. So, I learned from my parents that I should follow what my parents said, because it is for me and to have a good decision and good attitude. And I believe that parents' advice is the best, and parents' advice is right. So, pang-pito naman is ang action. So, pag pinapagalitan po ako ng parents ko, I just keep silent. Hindi po ako nagsasalita na lang. And then, number 8 is best advice. So, the best advice that my parents told me is that keep going no matter what happened. When you feel like giving up, remember that how far what you've done. So, lastly is worst words. So, ang worst words na sinabi po sa akin ng pamilya ko is that when my family compared me rather to my cousin. Syempre, hindi po maganda sa akin kasi kino-compare po nila ako na siya daw ay bright. So, that's it. So, guys, I hope you have a lot of things that you learned from me, and madami din ako natutunan sa pamilya ko. So, I hope that we should love each other, especially to our family, because family is everything and family is love. So, goodbye. That's all.